I'm always looking for new gadgets, especially for the kitchen, that make things easier, that make things cleaner, more tidy, whatever. This is something that will replace your honey dipper. Now, of course, it's not as cute as that little honey dipper with the beehive and all that. However, this is going to be a lot less messy. So this is really nicely made. This is glass. It has a thing on the bottom, like a cover to catch the mess, and super easy to fill. This twists off. There we go. So you can fill this with honey. You could also use it for syrup, but you fill this with honey, screw this back on. It has a really nice handle, and then you squeeze the top and it opens the hole in the bottom so that the honey drips out the bottom. So you're not gonna touch the honey. It's not gonna be dripping down the side like it does the bottle or the honey dipper. And it makes a nice even stream. And then when you put this back on, as soon as you let up on this lid, the stream stops and you can put this back on. So all of the mess stays right here in the cap. So all you have to do is rinse the cap off, you know, every once in a while to keep that tidy and clean. But that's all there is to it. But this is a really nice gadget. So if you take honey in your tea, you like honey on your biscuits, honey on your pancakes, waffles, your kids like honey, that's the big mess. You don't want kids into the honey dipper, but the kids could probably do this without much trouble. So highly recommend.